Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today I'm showing you our 72 GMC Jimmy 1500. Cool truck, big block air, and some paint on it. If you look at the shine on that paint, look at them signs, just like you're looking at them. It got some custom stripe, I would call it, on that. American Racing wheels. This paint on this car, you can see my reflection and reflection of the floor is awesome. This show quality. This white's kind of a pearl. Interior, no issues whatsoever. Tilt wheel, factory air, CD player, 402 big block. Cool truck. This is the only thing they did a little uncool. They just kind of, I don't know, went and bought some stuff at Lowe's and put over the old wood floor. I'd rather see the original wood floor than that, but that's one thing that you could fix down the road, put a new floor in it. But this thing is a beautiful truck. Like I said, it's a show truck. There's no question about it. There's a few enough flaws in this truck that you can show this. And the pearl with the copper, and it's a Sierra Grande. It's got a lot of things. And there is your SPID tag, you know, RPOs, whatever you want to call them. Parchment trim, so that's factory white with medium bronze. Factory color, except for the custom stripes. So this is one cool truck. 605-695-7391.